hey! Like, what would you do if you saw a mountain lion right now?
I'd be like, hey!
Yeah. You'd look at it in the face and you'd go, hey! And you'd try and be really aggressive and it would back. Okay guys, we're headed up to Warm Lake and this Tackle Tom's is the #1 tackle store in the whole state. This is where I always get my tackle, and Tom that owns it is awesome. So here's the thing about Idaho, there's so many really cool high mountain lakes and places to go, and some of them are really popular, like Deadwood is really popular, McCall is really popular, and I kind of like to get off the beaten path. This place is still popular and it's like a real campground, and so what I like to do is spend the day here but then camp like outside of here where there's not so many people, because we've camped here before and it just is so loud at night and there's so many people. And so what I like to do is spend the day here because there's a little store and restaurant, you can rent paddle boats and then go camp off-site. Okay, you excited to swim? Hey, look at me, little Miss Phoenix. Okay, have fun. Jump in.
I'm wearing glasses.
I have them.
Where?
Okay, do it. Is the water warm or is it cold? It's pretty warm, I thought. Okay, hurry, jump in. You want to swim? Do you want to swim with us? Ooh. Good job. What? Start going. One, two, three, cannonball! That was a little anticlimactic. Are you gonna jump?
No, I just want to swim.
Want me to push you?
No. Good job. Good job. Oh man, that was exciting. Okay, you want to go in the boat, babe? Are you good at pedaling? You're gonna knock the branch off, you fall. Hey, little Missy too. Hey. And we just got the rope course is over there. I know.
I promised these guys that they promised me that they'd paddle for a while so I could swim.
Yeah.
All right. Are you guys paddling the boat? Let's see. Okay. My little paddlers while I'm swimming in the water. Okay, you guys gotta turn it a hard left. There you go. There they go. My little munchkins at Warm Lake. We talked to some Indians and Native Americans who were fishing here, and they don't have restrictions like we do on seasons and limits and things. And they're able to fish with trail hooks and spears. And in fact, this is what it looks like. This is a spear. And so they're still fishing for salmon. And the return this year isn't very good, but this is what one of their spears looks like. So you can see it's a wooden spear just with a hook on the end of it right there. Can you see that hook?
Okay. Here, I'll get one for you.
And what they do is they just watch and watch, and they do one of two things. They either fish with spears, so they will either fish with spears, like what you just saw, or they'll fish with these giant nets. And in fact, I've been fishing in Reagan's before where I saw a guy die because he had a net in. He got a triple, which is where 3 salmon came into the net, and they were too powerful, and they pulled him in the river, and he ended up dying. And this was, I don't know, 6 years ago probably. And although it was so sad, it's one of the most beautiful ceremonies I've ever seen, where they just loaded up the river with rose petals, like thousands and thousands of rose petals, and because he passed in the river, and in order to honor him. So the Native Americans have a really strong influence here. I think it's the Nez Perce tribe. I'm not totally sure about that, but so we see a lot of Indians fishing over here regularly as well. Guys, I've been coming to the South Fork for, I'm 33, probably 12 years now, and I've never found these hot springs, and everybody always talks about them. So
I only have once.
I figured that, no, you and I haven't. So I figured that we would try and find them this year. If we don't find them, it's not a big deal. But where I think they're at,
it's 39.
there's actually a camp. There, it looks like there's a campsite right here.
It's
so
39.2.
If we find them, it's right around mile marker 16. If this is where they're at, then we'll camp here. I wanted to be close to the water, but if this is where the hot springs are at, this is fine, and then we can fish in the morning. So.
We're up there. We are still following the trail. You think it's been a lot?
What?
You guys think this is pretty easy. It's harder than you think.
Okay, you guys want to know what to do if we see a bear?
Oh, yeah. There was a horse flying your back.
Okay, Lincoln, what do we do if we see a bear? Do you remember?
Yeah. You don't make eye contact with it, and you look towards the ground and back up.
Slowly back away.
Yeah.
And you don't make eye contact. What do you do if you see a mountain lion up here?
Then you make eye contact, and you make loud noises.
Yeah, like what?
Like, hey!
Like what would you do if you saw a mountain lion right now?
I'd be like, hey!
Yeah. You'd look at it in the face and you'd go, hey! And you try and be really aggressive, and it would back away. But bears, you don't want to do that. If you see a bear, you just want to be really calm and non-aggressive and walk away. Well, if you did it towards a bear, they might get aggressive back and attack you.
Okay.
But mountain lions are more skittish. So, you guys, you think we're ever gonna find these hot springs?
I don't think there is any. I don't think that many. I don't think that the hot.
I don't know, but I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes.
What?
I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes.
Somebody bring that mosquito spray.
I know. Well, darn. You guys, I don't see any trails. We're at the top of the mountain, and the trail seems to end. So, I guess I've always heard that there's a cool hot springs here, and I've never been able to find it. So, what do you guys want to do? Do you want to keep walking?
I want to go back to the pickup.
You do?
Yeah.
I know. Darn. Okay, why don't we make a game plan? Let's walk back to the pickup, and if we see anything that looks like a sign of a trail off of the main trail that could lead to like a hot spring, then let's take it. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
And then do you guys want to camp there, or do you want to, I think we should go closer to the water so we can like filter water and drink water and fish and stuff like that at night, in the morning. Deal? What do you do if you see a mountain goat?
What?
You probably won't see a mountain goat up here.
What?
The main thing, what do you do if you see a coyote?
They actually are scared of humans, right?
Exactly. So you just make really, you go, hey! And they'll run away, just like a bear.
No, a mountain
Or, I
lion.
mean, just like a mountain lion.
If you do that to a bear, it'll kill you.
Yeah, so up here, the good news is there's really no grizzlies. There's only black bears, but the black bears can be blonde or cinnamon or brown, but they're not going to be as big as a grizzly. But the main thing is, especially if you see a black bear with a baby cub, if it's a mama, they're going to be really protective, and so you just want to stay away, okay? What, babe?
If you see a male one, then what do you do?
No, we're not. We're on the path.
So what do you do with
Same
the male
thing.
one?
Same thing. If you see a bear, you just back away. You don't make eye contact, and you let them know that you're not a threat.
So that's what you do if you see a male one?
Yep. Do you guys think we should camp here?
Yeah.
I think we should, because look, the river's right there.
Yeah.
And we're right off the road, so it'll be really easy to pack in. We can just camp right on the water.
Where should we do it?
Right there.
Where
Sure.
should
Hey.
I can't. It won't
Hey,
spray.
Phoenix. I love you.
Oh, then I know how to spray that.
I love you more.
I love you.
Hey. I love you.
Mama, this is broken.
Don't mind my crying child in the background. A lot of people want to know, how do you start a fire? So the first thing you want to do is get some kindling, like some bark or some little tiny twigs, and then you kind of put them in like a teepee style formation. And then what I do, I actually have this pre-cut wood, but even if I wouldn't have had this pre-cut wood, I could have just gotten wood from the mountains, like broken off those sticks or whatever. But then what you do is you just keep it in a or a teepee formation, so that way oxygen can continue to go through and continue to build the fire. And then the other thing is that we built this fire ring around here. We took rocks from over here from the river, and we brought them over here to build, so that way the fire doesn't get out of control and cause like a forest fire or something like that. So if you don't have a fire ring, you just take rocks and put them in a circle to create a fire ring. So another thing that's good to know, you guys, you know how the mosquitoes are really bad right now?
Yeah.
If you build a giant fire, it'll keep the mosquitoes away.
Really? Like this one?
Even bigger, actually. What did you?
We get a lot more wood. When we tried to put that big on,
What'd you find to put in the fire?
there were some ants inside.
What did you find?
Now they're all burnt today.
Yeah, what'd you?
Mama, should we do more paper towels?
No, I would just do more wood. But hey, before we do that though, the main thing is we have to bring all of our stuff back to the campsite, okay?
Why?
Because we got to bring it over here before it starts to get dark, and I got to set up the tent.
Yeah! Look how many ashes that made. Can you show me if mine are good?
Hey, I love you. Okay, Lincoln, grab.
I need to stand right here so it will show both of you. Why don't you stand on one side, I step on it, see if it breaks in half. I'm talking about this one underneath. What? Mama, is that top button supposed to be green? Mama, is that top button supposed to be green? But you guys can't be standing by to each other, or else it'll only show one person.
Ready? Go. Oh my gosh, we're so close.
Mama,
Yes.
Mommy,
You broke it.
Mama, did you hear that?
No.
That. I thought that was for tomorrow.
Me sass, little miss.
Mom, look! Yeah! I can't believe I had the right idea!
High five, dude. You crushed that. You
No,
did good.
literally, I crushed it. No, literally, get it? I crushed it. Mama,
What?
Can we have the marshmallows now?
Yes.
Mama,
Hey, how was it?
I don't know what to do.
Let me see it.
Because the boy did have to walk.
Okay, guys. You guys ready for bed?
Yeah. It's like midnight and I'm
Yeah, right. It's 9 o'clock.
Okay,
Okay, did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
Lincoln, what was your favorite part of the day?
Guess.
The rope swing.
That's my second favorite part.
What was
yeah. That's right. I have two favorites.
Okay, what was your favorite part of the day?
Actually, I know. My first favorite, can I do my second favorite too?
Sure.
So,
Okay, what was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day was doing the rope swing. Then my second favorite part of the day was breaking the logs. Then my third favorite part of the day was doing the hike.
Oh, that was pretty fun, even though we found nothing. Phoenix, what was your favorite part of the day? What about the paddle boat? What about swimming next to the paddle boat? You didn't have any fun today? What about cooking s'mores? Oh, you're such a little turkey butt.
You're lying.
What about getting bit by mosquitoes? Okay. Alright, well, we're gonna go to bed in this teeny tiny little tent.
Yeah, we made it one
Phoenix
day.
is being a little butthead.
We made it one day, but I don't think we can make it another. Right?
Well, what, when we were at Aunt Sue's house?
Yeah, we made it for 2 days at Aunt Sue's house, right?
Yeah, we got it. We got this.